Hey, good morning. Ooh, muggy, foggy morning here in Orlando, Florida. Day 2 of our Orlando vacation, and you can just barely even see me at this point in time. Wow. So last night, around the time of her loaf sandwich, just completely crashed out. Just the 2 hours sleep from the night before, the sampling alcoholic beverages when I'm not normally a drinker. I think it all just caught up to me, and about the time I was eating that delicious sandwich roll sandwich, I just completely ran out of gas. Right after that, we came back to the hotel and called it a day. Had planned to do a few more things at Disney Springs last night, but just realized I was hitting the wall, tapped out, called it a night. But great night of sleep. I am fully recharged. I'm ready for another full day of non-stop Disney action, but first grabbing some food and beverages down in the hotel lobby before we head back out to the parks today. Oh, and I got boarding group 1 again for Guardians of the Galaxy this morning. Crazy. But we're probably going to miss our boarding time because we're just slept in a little bit and just kind of recovering today. But I've heard that they'll let you in still if you're just a little late, so we'll head over there and try to still get in to ride it a second time. And here is the breakfast burrito. Actually looks pretty good. I don't even know what's inside of it. Okay. We can work with this. Born apple teas. That is actually a really good breakfast burrito. Let's see how the hash brown is. Not bad. Decent way to start the day. Good. This will be the last thing I eat for a while because we got Ohana tonight. Back again. Second verse, same as the first. We actually didn't get to walk by this part yesterday, but looks like they've extended out the queue a little bit today. It's a very Disney thing to have like a scale model proposed deal type thing. Oh, and by the way, our return window was supposed to have closed about 40 minutes before we showed up, but still were able to scan in without any issue.
Thanks to our nearly endless
big man outside your shed. Oh, that is a big man. I need to alert Nova Prime. I've been watching Terrans for eons.
That's not creepy at all.
This species has failed.
Wait, whoa, we didn't even know there was a test.
We started a cosmic generator, and he's creating a new jump point.
Jump point to where?
Not where. When?
It's some kind of mutant jump point.
That's why I'm
Okay, we had back row last time, we got front row this time. See how it goes.
Stop this unusually large man. Then you're likely doomed. It was useless to follow me. What is that noise?
Noise? No one's gonna stop rock and roll from existing. What have we done?
I think we're jumping back.
That was like 100 times better in the front row. That was way better. What? That was way better. What do you mean? That was like a lot more fun.
You're all heroes.
So, do you really think they deserve to be called heroes? Did you see how they dress?
It's just a
Treasures of Xandar is open today. Second ride through, much better. Better song this time. Felt faster and more intense. I don't know if that was like the front row or just like was more prepared for today, but second ride definitely better than the first ride yesterday. I've now moved my rating up to 8.5. That was great. Everybody Wants to Rule the World, much better song for that ride than Conga. No offense to Gloria Estefan. She's a lovely lady. No ass beer today in Norway. Alright, so we're walking past Flavorful Kitchen and I saw this street corn, and as a tribute to my beautiful wife Jesta, I had to stop and get it. I am fighting a losing battle with the shade today. I'm dying, but here we go. That's delicious, but it's hot. I gotta go find some shade. Sun is winning today. Interesting little tidbit here. There's actually a road for the Disney Boardwalk Epcot resort area that runs here and under the water over there and out the other side. And it's very well hidden. That's how Disney used to do things. They'd hide everything. Now they just build big blue boxes in the middle of the park. Just a quiet stroll down the boardwalk. Not a lot of activity out here right now. Most of the restaurants and stuff don't open until a little bit later though, so that could be part of it. And maybe just everybody's actually in the parks today.
Absolutely not. This is one of our discoveries, the figment of imagination.
Yeah, I know all about the senses. There's sight, sound, smell, touch, coochie coochie coo, and taste. Taste like chicken. It's not about listening with your ears, it's about listening with your imagination.
Now I've completely lost my train of thought.
No, you haven't. It's over here. All aboard. Woo-hoo! Next stop, imagination.
Uh-oh.
You win one cent.
No! Oh, smells back working. Come on now.
Next time, side up and upside down.
Oh no. He's really done it this time.
Imagination. A dream can be imagination. Imagination. The start of everything is new.
Right, we just waited 20 minutes for the Visa Disney card holder photo op that's returning at Epcot, and I was hoping we'd get Mickey, but it was Minnie and Pluto. That's fine. Hadn't seen characters, got to kind of be with characters a minute, but I mean, I wish I hadn't waited 20 minutes for that. I'll drop the photo in here and show you how it turned out. But up here, we got onto the monorail just in time.
Yeah, we didn't make that too soon.
Alright, so after doing almost everything we did yesterday again today, now something new. Early dinner, as you can kind of see, we're amongst the first to be seated for dinner. Starving, excited to get the real shrimp this time and not the fake shrimp casserole I had to stomach down with an FUP last time. Got a little mini Tron update from our seats here. It is far ahead of the last time I saw it in person for sure.
Looks like it's gonna be white.
Yeah, I don't know if it's because of the newness of the Tron canopy, but Spaceship, oh, there was some lightning there.
It really does, yeah. It's like
Spaceship Earth looks kind of like dirty. Like a layer of dust is just sitting on top of it. So man needs to get up there and clean Spaceship Earth. Please. That's Space Mountain. I may have just called it Spaceship Earth like 3 times. Space Mountain. I know these things. I like Disney. I'm not a weirdo. Although I'm not sure what those little metallic things in the center of the water over at Epcot are. If you know, let me know in the comments down below, because I could not figure out what they were for the life of me. Alright, so I did eat a little bit of the salad, so I'm now officially allowed to completely kill myself on the rest of the meal. Good lord. This is gonna be bad. Alright, here we go. I just might as well eat this whole thing of noodles. Just want it in me. Yikes. Worth the price of admission alone. My goodness. Pot stickers are phenomenal. Yeah. Look at this. The real shrimp. Finally the real shrimp. I gotta pace myself though. I'm taking a little mini break. Letting the first wave of stuff I gorge myself on settle a little bit. Balance is the key. That's a healthy decision. Here we go. Give me the shrimp. That's where to put the peels. I now just ruined my appetite because seeing the live shrimps on Living with the Land, they do not look as appealing in live action living as they do when they're dead, but whatever. Bon appetit. That's good shrimp. Man. The shrimp are better dead. I think I'm dying. I'm just gonna lay down, rest. Alright, so after being completely knocked unconscious by Ohana's for like the last hour, we're now in contemporary, recharging up a little bit with a massage chair, getting ready to go to the magical kingdom. Ah! Yeah, it's inside me. There he is, the world famous Mick Mouse. Get to see him up close and personal for the first time in forever. Alright, it was great to once again see the main man, Mickey Mouse, in the old school traditional real character meet and greet setup. Great to have that back. That was sorely missed. Although they had it with like a robot camera, not an actual photographer, so you couldn't hand your phone to anybody to take a picture with you, so I'll have to insert Mickey Mouse selfie here. And it is now time for the obligatory castle reveal shot. First time this trip, first time this vlog. Always incredible. Nighttime hits different at the Magic Kingdom, and so does the Haunted Mansion.
Consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows
About you.
and no doors.
Uh-oh.
Which offers you this chilling challenge. To find a way out. Of course, there's always my way.
The spirits, wherever they're at. Black quality.
Don't you hitchhike with me, you sons of guns. Eyes on my head. Got stuck in a weird back way. There's fireworks going off, so I'm trying to loop back around to the front and see if we can catch them up there. Looking good though. A lot of great views from behind trees tonight. But it's cool that the whole castle is lit up from all angles. Barely see her through the trees, but there goes Tinkerbell.
The old version was better when it was you can fly, you can fly, you can fly. It's interesting from this angle though, you can see how far away the fireworks actually shoot off. There's the castle and the fireworks are way, way, way back there. Interesting. You need to see it from different angles. The show still stinks compared to Happily Ever After.
Progress City, Walt Disney's dream for an experimental prototype community.
We were there earlier today. It was called Epcot.
Was the inspiration for Epcot, and many of its forward-thinking ideas have been realized throughout Walt Disney.
The most chill, fun ride in all of Disney World. I wish it went like all the way around the park though, instead of just Tomorrowland.
If your future includes shopping, then you want to visit some.
Here is a close-up look of Tron lit up. This is gonna be insane. Cannot wait till this sucker opens. Hopefully later this year. Look, here's some progress on the railroad tunnel where that's gonna be weird or cool. And it's gone. And it's back. That's where the railroad's gonna be. And it's gone again. All right, we're going on the ride where you best remove them. 4 decisions have been made.
Splash Mountain remains my favorite ride at Magic Kingdom still. Good job, Splash Mountain. Retheme supposedly coming by 2024. Rumors, we'll see. I maintain I don't think it's gonna close for the refurbishment until Tron opens, so we'll see what happens.
There's the goat.
T-Rex! Ah! Oh, there goes the horse by the ride.
Oh my gosh.
That was nice. It went easy on the brakes a little bit. 1-2 punch. Splash and Thunder Mountain to wrap up the night. Can't beat that. Alright. Day 2 in the books. Didn't quite run out of gas. I almost did. Ohana almost took me down a little bit earlier, but rallied, recharged, had a fun night here at the Magic Kingdom. More to come tomorrow. Stay tuned, subscribe to the channel. We'll see you then.